Hello and welcome to J. Malone Vintage. Today I'm going to take you along with me to Rare Bird Antiques in Goodlettsville, Tennessee. And I just wanted to make a little mini movie of this amazing Christmas booth that is in Rare Bird. It has so many cute vintage Christmas things, and it really made me excited to start shopping for Christmas. I hope you enjoy it. Look at him back there. $30. He's a 1960s felt skinny Santa. They're so cute. Skinny snowshoes. Santa. Please like and subscribe.